Hey guys, welcome to Red's Projects. Today, got a new car and a new face. This is Ryan, he's a good buddy of mine. This is his beast of a Vn 5 litre.
Yep.
What's been done to this thing so far?
Oh, well, I've done a converter in it. It's got a 3 grand converter in it.
Yep.
It's got 3 9 gears with an LSD.
Yep.
And yeah, she goes really well.
Yep, and the exhaust as well. We've got
yeah, it's got HSV extractors with a high flow cat, 2.5 inch exhaust with a muffler up the back. So pretty stealthy.
Sounds pretty nice.
Yeah, sounds nice. Not too loud. And yeah, she goes good.
Bit of a beast. It's been sitting for a few years now. It's 3 years probably.
Yeah, about 3 years. Yeah.
Yep.
A few issues with some wiring. So hopefully we can get on top of some of them issues today.
Yeah, so it's got throwing a couple codes. I think it's throwing 22, 34 and 45. So we're going to try and work through that today. Get this car going, get it back to its former glory.
Yeah.
I'm trying to push Ryan to do some drag racing with it because it's a great experience and I reckon he's going to love it.
Yeah.
So
sounds exciting.
So we get this thing running good. Do probably a few more things. I think you've got a cam we can put into this thing as well.
Yeah, got a cam we can chuck in there.
Yep.
And
get some chop happening.
Yeah, a few other little goodies.
I'll try and convince him to throw some spray on it as well, I reckon. Get the old nitrous happening.
Give it a kick in the pants.
And yeah, we'll get this thing racing.
Yeah, it'd be good to get out the shed and do something with it.
Yep.
You know, instead of it just sitting here. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Beautiful. All right, we'll stuff around a bit and hopefully we can get somewhere and we can at least take it for a spin later today. Oh, here. Here we go.
Oh, walk straight past
Walk straight past him.
What a dickhead.
We don't qualify for professional, I think. Continuity test, AC, DC, ohms. That does everything you'll probably ever need.
Yeah.
So that's only $40. That's probably going to be the deal, I think. Because this isn't working today, that's not working. That unlocks the doors as well.
It's just not happy today.
Oh. Bloody cars.
I'm hearing you.
People want to see this shit. There we go, look, we've got a new multimeter. Hopefully this one reads a bit more accurate. Have to wait and see. What's the worst that can happen?
Beg your pardon, we can go on the freeway for a quick squirt. We can go left at the roundabout, right at the roundabout.
Yeah.
On the freeway, and you can do your business, and then the exit that we just went over.
Yeah, okay.
We can do that.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Sorry, that's a good one. Try.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
All right, let's give it a bit of go.
Jesus Christ, mate! Woo! So aggressive. It's smooth.
Oh yeah, it's so like
smooth power.
So calm compared to the Ute.
Because you've just rolled on it, and and she's just made booster just clean.
Yeah. Not that nice.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Start it up and try and keep it running, and I'll try and measure it. Spiking a little bit, but it's not making 5 volt. The highest it's got is like 20.
Doing a bit of wiring here. What are you up to, mate?
Alright, I think I've worked it out. The throttle position sensor and the map sensor both need 5 volts coming out the computer.
Mm-hmm.
And neither of them have 5 volts coming out the computer. So I've got this little jigger. You put 12 volts in the red, earth the black, and the yellow you can pick whatever voltage you want to come out the middle. Like you twist it from 12 to nothing.
Oh, fair dinkum.
So I'm going to set that to 5.
Yep.
And try and power up the wires. They're meant to have 5 volt. And then we'll just try and start it and see if it runs.
See how it goes.
Yeah, except at the moment it doesn't idle. As soon as he touches the throttle, no good.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a pig, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been doing our head in. Alright, so what I've done, I pinched 12 volt off the coil. That comes up to this guy. I've got the earth just on a bolt there. And then the yellow wire I've put into this grey wire. Goes to the throttle position sensor. And now we are getting 5 volt there. And the wire coming out is doing what it should do. At idle, it's half a volt. And full throttle's nearly 4 volt. So I guess we'll just fire it up, see if it runs and idles.
Yep.
Getting excited. Engine lights off.
Yeah. You're kidding.
Have a look at that. Still not right, but it's close. Close enough. Yeah.
Good.
Alright, we had a little bit of success. What was happening, I was putting 5 volts directly to the throttle position sensor, and for whatever reason the map sensor was ending up at 9 volt. So I'm not sure what's happening there. I think the power was running back to the computer and doing some sort of electrical mumbo jumbo down that end. So I've cut the 5 volt wire from the map, cut the 5 volt wire from the throttle body. I've got them joined in here. This yellow wire goes to our power making jigger thing here. We've got that set at 5 volt, and it seems to run good now. Kick it in the guts,
Yeah,
Ryan.
right, I'll fire up.
Look at that. Alright, so we're going to tidy up a couple things, move a few cars around, and we'll go for a drive.
Woo! Yeah.
Alright, we have not been having much luck. I think we worked out that we were meant to drive this thing 6 hours ago. We moved all the cars out the way.
Yeah.
It was running beautiful, and then we let it warm up for a while and it started running rubbish. And
As soon as we got to running temp.
yeah, so since then we have been trying everything.
Everything.
We've checked all sorts of sensors. We've checked fuel flow. We haven't checked fuel pressure because we haven't got a gauge. We've checked so much stuff, it's not funny.
Everything in the fucking book.
And you'll start it up. It will run beautiful for like 5 minutes, even less, maybe 3 minutes. and then it's still idling great. You'll give it throttle, and it will just
Go on the ass.
it will just pop, and not even pop. It might backfire once through the inlet, but it's just not happy at all. So we're just trying another sensor now for the water temperature, but we're really running out of ideas. This is getting bad.
Not many left.
We're meant to be back here sitting watching TV, knowing that this car was awesome and running again.
Relaxing.
Oh, we've got to work something out soon. We've at least got to have a plan. If we can't fix it tonight, we've got a plan for next time, at least.
Got to unveil
Yeah.
the secret sometime.
All right. We'll check back in soon.
Hey.
All right. It is 11:10. We have run out of ideas.
Absolutely.
This is, my head really hurts.
Yeah.
The only thing we're kind of leaning towards is fuel pressure. So we had plenty of fuel flow. We took the drain off up here, ran it into a jerry can, had the thing idling. It was flowing heaps of fuel, but we've got no way of measuring fuel pressure. So my theory is that it's idling, like when we first started up, it's idling for like 40 psi fuel pressure. Beautiful. It's snappy. You can rev it. It's perfect. Then after a few minutes, the fuel pressure's dying off. Maybe because it's got a blocked filter. Maybe a pump's dying. This thing is not being nice to us.
Not at all.
7 hours ago, we should have been driving. We moved the cars out the way.
We're ready to go.
To drive this car 7 hours ago. So we're giving up for today. But to make it up, we're going to go for a little drive in the Falcon. Ryan's going to drive the Falcon.
Yeah. Drive something fast.
Yeah, it goes okay.
Goes better than this thing at the moment.
Yeah. So we'll go for a little spin, and we'll at least have a little bit of fun and end this video and end this night off with some smiles at least.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll go have some fun.
You're kidding.
Alright, so Ryan's having a go.
Yeah.
It is pitch black, you cannot see anything.
Can't see a thing.
I'll just kind of point it towards the gauges.
Wow. This thing is impressive.
It is good fun.
You've got a fun toy here.
Yeah, so just take off. When you straighten up, click at the second, and then just roll on in second.
Roll on in second.
Yeah, you don't roll in first because it'll just spin and
Just. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try and video this as best as I can. Yeah, just click second. All right, hold on. Keep going.
Sorry, mate, I attacked the.
Got the limiter there, yeah.
Sorry, I didn't.
It's fine. She's a pretty soft limiter.
Yeah. Can we do it again? Wow.
All right, we're back. We went for a little spin.
Yeah, so yeah, that Falcon's an experience.
Yep. Gets to 100 pretty quick.
Yes.
We didn't go over 100.
It gets to the speed limit really quick.
Yeah. Yeah. In a very safe manner.
Yeah, so
So
yeah,
yeah.
driving that's definitely motivated us myself to get this thing fired up,
Get this thing going. So
get something out of it.
I'm going home because it's nearly midnight. And
Yeah, got the trek home.
Ryan's got some stuff to do tomorrow,
Yep.
checking fuel system and that. So
Do some basic stuff
yep,
up the back there.
try and get a handle on it. So we will see this in a future episode. We will get it running. We'll take it for a spin, make some noise, take it to the drags.
This isn't the end.
This isn't the end.
More to it.
We've got plan B and plan C we've talked about. Possible carburation or possibly changing the computer to an aftermarket thing, which if Ryan decides to go boosted, like with a blower or a turbo, an aftermarket computer will be great for it.
Yep.
Carby will be okay, but we've got to cut a hole in the bonnet, and we don't want to do that.
No.
It'll be simple, but yeah, so we'll weigh all that sort of stuff up.
Plenty of options.
Plenty of options, so
The story will continue.
that's it.
We had a crack though, and we diagnosed a few things, so it wasn't all
We had a
bad.
good crack. We spent 10 hours on it.
10 hours on it.
Oh,
That's
jeez.
all part of it. It's all
So-
fun. Hanging with your mates in the shed.
Yeah,
It's all
that's
good.
it. All right. Thank you for watching.
Thanks, Red, for coming around.
Yeah, next time hopefully we'll have a bit more luck.
Yeah.
And yeah, thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you next time.
Camera's cool. Red's project.